Hey everyone, how's it going?
And Travis here from the Wolf HunterZ.
And we have a reaction video for you.
We certainly do. Our social media platforms are above. The links are below in the description box. Check them out if you want to. Today's video is brought to you by Hubert.
And what is Hubert bringing to us today?
Mylène Farmer, Vertige.
From 1996. And before we take a look at that, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and feel free to comment below. Hubert says this is rock metal Mylène Farmer.
What?
So, super excited to see this. This is going to be intense.
Oh!
Hold on. Oh my gosh. So first of all, those guitars in the beginning is in fact rockin' Hubert. Yes, no kidding. That I love it. And then you have the clouds, or should I say fog, that's rolling out on the floor like clouds, as if she's like walking on the clouds. That's pretty sick. That is very impressive. First of all, I want to admire her hair because she has like the dreads kind of going on, the dreads thing. And I think that's pretty cool. Makeup's on fleek, as the young people would say. And,
do they say that stuff? I don't know.
She
looks amazing. She looks absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
Just perfection.
Yeah, and I got another peek on that the fog things, and it's like these giant PVC pipes that come up over the stage that's just pumping it out. Wow. I don't even know how they do that. It's amazing. And we've got the full band back there. I've seen like guitarists and this and that, and it is just fantastic. I like that. And you know what? It still fits in her pocket, I feel like. You know, it's still her sound.
Sweet, beautiful voice goes perfectly with this more rock sound.
Yeah.
I love it.
something that happens like frequently? Is this like a rare gem right here? Because if there's more with rock, I would love to hear that. You know, that would be so cool. I'm really enjoying this.
I love that you can tell how much the band appreciates that song being a little bit more on the rock side. They are taking full advantage of it, flexing from beginning to end, having a ball up there. I love seeing that kind of thing.
They killed it. That band was dope.
Good.
They were really good. I was impressed,
And Mylène, of course, she's always just so brilliant and amazing. I mean, she always has, like, the coolest looks. She always, you know, just
Grand entrances. Grand exits.
Perfect vocals. It's just not even fair.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed hanging out, hit like, hit subscribe to hang out again. Stay tuned. Stay positive.
We love you guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I just wanna bang my